I have a gas range Frigidaire that is making a humming noise when I turn on all the top burners. Can this be fixed?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. If the noise only happens when you turn the top burners on, this means that your oven gas safety valve is just vibrating or something, which it shouldn't when that amount of gas flow is going bad the diaphragm. There really isn't much you can do but to order and replace the regulator valve to fix this issue. Below is a link to the part you'd need to order for your model. The regulator is the part that your gas supply line from your house connects to directly on the back of your oven. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need even after rating my service. Thank you. I'm just following up to see how your appliances is doing since I haven't heard back from you and this question is still open. Is there anything else that I can help you with today?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.